Today on Metal Maker Shop, we're making a creepy skull air cleaner. Okay, it's kind of taking shape right now. Probably noticed that I'm really not going for perfection on this because since the car's kind of going in a rat rod, so I kind of want it to look pretty kind of crazy and sinister. So quite a bit more left to go here. We're just going to keep piecing stuff together and go from there. Got majority of the top done right now. We're going to start working on the jaw next. After that, then I'll go back through and kind of fine-tune everything, just kind of fill little spots and things like that to maybe kind of make the eyes a little more close together, kind of fix the nose, and then we'll move on to the teeth or something. All right, let's start working on the jaw. Okay, I got majority of a piece together now, so you can kind of see we're actually kind of taking shape. Right now the jaw is just tacked into place because I want to incorporate some teeth into this. I'm thinking maybe some nuts and bolts, maybe work something like this, haven't quite figured it out. I do know that I will be putting like some big kind of vampire fangs that'll hang down, and then eventually down the road we'll make a base that goes under the air cleaner so that we can actually kind of run a pin system and some linkage so the jaw will actually open and close. So right now it's just kind of temporarily tacked in place. I'll end up cutting those off so I can work on the linkage and stuff later on. So alright, let's start working on the teeth and we'll go from there. Okay, so I got the skull pretty much built for the most part, so that's kind of a pretty rough look of what we're going for. Again, everything's kind of tacked together. I got a lot of cleanup work to do, so I know the back half is going to be cut off because it's kind of going to show a big extended thing, so we'll probably add a big mohawk, maybe something like that, but the main part of it is built. So pretty much from here, now we got to make a base that's going to go onto the air cleaners, so we kind of got a way to mount this. So actually I'll kind of show you real quick what it looks like. So you can see kind of the double air cleaners here. This is going to mount up front here, kind of like this. Along the back will be a large kind of fin that goes off the back, and then the spikes will go up. And then again, the linkage stuff to the carb will all kind of link to the mouth. Then that way we'll be able to kind of open it up every time you give it gas. So that'll look pretty cool. Okay, so I got kind of a base built onto it now, so a couple holes drilled, everything. It'll actually mount right onto the air cleaners, like so. Kind of get an idea. I had to take the mouth off so I can finish the stuff up. But you can kind of see what we're going for here. Next plan is to, so this whole section that's back here, this is going to get kind of like a big fin thing, so it'll kind of come down basically into a point and kind of hang off back here. And then I got some cool expanded metal, so I'm kind of going to make almost like some hair of some sort that'll go in, and then it'll kind of come up into maybe a bit of some sort of shape that kind of uniform or whatever. I don't know, I'll figure it out. I'm kind of just going along as I go for the most part. So there it be. Looking awesome. Okay, got a little bit of finish work left to do, kind of on here on the mouth, cleanup work, probably wire brush it. And then lastly, more importantly, I need to run the linkage that goes from the mouth down to the carburetors so that when I'm driving and just boop, 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 and I want to floor it, I can wah! Boop, 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 wah! Yeah. Definitely cool. Alright guys, everything's finished, all the pieces are together, everything works. Time to go for a test ride. Alright guys, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can keep up with any other projects that I got going on in the future. Thanks.